Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVIST. Today in this video, again I am here to discuss some programmings in C using loop structure and nested loop structure. In this video, we are going to discuss two programs. The first program is to find GCD and LCM of two integer numbers, and the second one is to generate simple number triangle for n rows. Now we will discuss the first program, that is write a C program to find the GCD and LCM of two integer numbers. Now here is our program for finding the GCD and LCM of two integer numbers. First of all, we have to write hash include stdio.h, the header file. Then int main. In the main function, we have declared number 1, number 2, two integer variables, and GCD LCM for the result, remainder, numerator, denominator. These variables, integer variables, are taken here. After that, the message that is enter two numbers is displayed here through the printf function. To get the number from the user, I have taken that is scanf %d ampersand number 1 ampersand num2. Now here's the condition, that is if num1 greater than num2, numerator equal to num1 and denominator equal to num2. If num1 greater than num2, then numerator equal to num1 and denominator equal to num2. Else numerator equal to num2 and denominator equal to num1. After that, remainder equal to numerator modulus denominator. Numerator modulus denominator. The remainder part will be stored in the variable named remainder. After that, the while is here, while loop is here, that is while, and the condition is remainder part not equal to 0. Then the statement will be numerator equal to denominator, denominator equal to remainder, and remainder equal to numerator modulus denominator. Then GCD equal to denominator and LCM equal to num1 multiplication with num2 divided by GCD. Now to get the GCD of num1 and num2, I have printed here or displayed here through the printf function GCD of num1, that is %d, and %d, that is represented number num2, equal to the GCD, that is %d here GCD. And then to display the LCM of the numbers, I have displayed here through the printf function LCM of %d, representation of num1, and %d for the num2 equal to LCM, and then return 0. So through this program, we will get the GCD and LCM for the integer numbers, that is num1 and num2, which we will get from the user. Now I will compile it. Now you can see the compilation is going on and there is no error and warning. So now I am going to run it. So the message is here, that is enter two numbers. I am giving the numbers, that is 34, one number, and other number is 23. So GCD of the numbers 34 and 23 is 1, and LCM of 34 and 23 is 782. So here's our output. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to generate simple number triangle for n rows. Now here is our program to write a C program to generate simple number triangle for n rows. First we have to write hash include stdio.h, then int main. Then I have taken 5 integer variables, that is I, j, k, l and n. Now for the message, that is enter the range, the printf function is used here, and for the range n is a variable through which the range will be taken, and user will give the value, and it's taken by the taken through the user by the scanf function. Now the whole program will be done through the for loop or the nested for loop. You can see here, like for I equal to 1, I less equal to n, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Within that, again a for loop for j, that is j equal to 1, j less than equal to n minus I, j plus plus. Within this for loop, we have to printf a space. Again a for loop will be here, that is k equal to 1, k less than equal to I, k plus plus. Within this, we have to display, that is printf k. The value of k will be displayed here. After that, again a for loop will be here, that is L equal to I minus 1, L greater equal to 1, L minus minus. So the value will be decremented here, and the value of L will be printed here. After that, a new line will be printed through this printf function, and at last the return 0. So you can see the nested for loop here. Now I am going to compile it. After that, I am going to run it. So now we have to enter the range. I am giving the range 10. So here's our simple number triangle for 10 rows. Hope through this video, the program done here is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the upcoming programs.